Aviation is an energy-intensive industry, accounting for about 3% of global carbon emissions. But a company in Burlington, Vermont has taken some innovative steps to reduce its impact on the ground. This is a story of 1-degree changes, beyond aviation, of an investment in a smarter, greener building and a company doing its part.
My name is Christopher Hill. I'm president with Heritage Aviation. And we're at the Heritage Aviation General Aviation Facility at the Burlington International Airport. We had an opportunity to expand into a 1954 Army National Guard facility. We knew going into it that what we were building was going to be here for a long time, that we wanted to build a quality facility, and that we wanted it to be as green as possible. It's a LEED certified facility. We got renewable energy on site. We have solar domestic hot water on site. The heaters often don't have to run at all. We got wind on site. That was very exciting. That's an FAA approved. It is the first community scale wind turbine at a U.S. airport. The green roof is wonderful. We understand it to be the largest green roof in New England. We've been very, very happy with it. There's a lot of advantages. It keeps you cooler in the summer, warmer in the winter. We recently completed converting our aircraft tug vehicles to all electric, which is fairly unique. We've got 4 of them, and they're all electric, so there's 0 emissions on the ground. We've got an electric cherry picker for doing high work. It's all electric vehicle. We put in what came to be, as we understand it, the largest pervious concrete parking lot in New England. All the rainwater goes right down through it. One of the requirements of the LEED certification is that materials come from within, I think, 500 miles. We use granite from the Barry Granite Quarries here in Vermont stone. Had some marble in a couple places in the building, and that came from the Danby Marble Quarry in Danby, Vermont, the largest underground marble quarry in the world. We've got Portuguese cork in there, rapidly renewable material. The lighting systems are designed to monitor the ambient light in the room. The sensors dim down the overhead lights in quadrants inside the room. So the light near the window will be very dim because there's a lot of light there, but deeper inside the office where the light may not be getting quite as far in, the light is brighter. In the main hangar bay where the aircraft repair is done, that's where they work on the airplanes. We have a lot of windows at such a height so that the maintenance technicians can see outside, which dramatically improves the quality of the workspace. We put on about a dozen skylights overhead, and it's up above the truss work. And then we also put in big sections of windows on the south-facing wall and on the east-facing wall. And then we painted the entire inside of the hangar bay white. So everything is painted white. Any daylighting that gets in there bounces around on the light color of the paint that's on the truss work, the floors, and the walls. So we're saving, or not consuming, 200 kilowatt hours per 10-hour daytime shift every day. We're a 7-day-a-week, 365-day-a-year operation. There are probably intangible long-term benefits of having a great place to work in terms of employee retention and morale. There was a premium in building the building. The end result is that it is a facility that will serve the general aviation community and the region for decades to come, and the quality of the building will last and carry on into the future. There is clearly some financial return, but it's more than payback time. It's a desire to build quality. It's a belief that people ultimately will be attracted to quality, and that will be a draw for customers and a benefit to the community, the customers, and the business in the long term.